Hi, welcome to my emoji tutorial. These can be used to decorate your cake or your cupcakes. Here is a list of the items that you will need. Of course, you don't need to use the exact ones, but you will need similar. Roll out your yellow modelling paste and then turn it over. Place your largest of the three cutters on top. Apply pressure, move it around your mat to make sure you've got a nice clean cut and remove the excess. We're going to cut out some of the smiles and eye shapes. As these shapes are repeated over and over on the emojis we're making, I'm just going to cut out one or two just to demonstrate how I did it. I'm not going to demonstrate every single one each time, otherwise it'd be quite repetitive. So I've used the circle cutter. And what I've done is I've just made the first smile. Now I'm going to cut back into the black modelling paste, move the cutter around, and I've just made a broader smile. And I'm going to carry on and I'm going to make another smile. Just going to smooth the edge with my fingers. And then to make the next smile, I'm actually going to use the larger cutter on top of that. I just want a slightly shorter smile than the last one. We just remove the paste and place this to one side. So now I'm going to just demonstrate how I did some of the eyes. So this is the small pupil that we use on one of the emoji faces, and we just pop that out of the tappet. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the oval shape. So I'm going to use the second one down here. Place it on top, move it around your mat, and then just flick it out. So there is some oval shapes on the eyes, and then the other oval shape that we have on the emoji actually has a scallop cut in the bottom, and this is where we're going to use the PME modelling tool, and we're going to cut that out. The other eye shape that we use is a circle, and I'm going to cut out the third size down on the Essential Shapes tappet. For the tongues, I rolled out pink modelling paste and I cut out an oval shape. I've rolled out some white modelling paste and I'm going to make a section that's going to be sitting inside the emoji's mouth. So didn't need a full circle, I've just cut off the bottom here, and then I've cut out another eye, and that's using the third size down on the Essential Shapes tappet. The red modelling paste is for some heart shapes. Here I've rolled out some blue modelling paste and I'm cutting out a couple of the second size down oval shapes, and this is just to make some tears. So I've cut them out and then I'm just going to pinch the top with my fingers. Now we're going to make some of our emoji faces. So I've kept this nice and simple for you. You can see the shapes are there on the side. Just use a little water to attach it. You can use edible glue if you prefer, but water's fine. Now we're just drawing on our eyes and eyebrows using the edible pen, and we're just going to attach the tears on our first emoji's face. We're now doing a second laughing face, but this one has got slightly different eyes. So you can see here again, I'm just using the Rainbow Dust edible pen and then just attaching the mouth and the tears exactly the same using water. And this one you just twist slightly to the side. This one is our happy face, and we're using the same style of mouth, the black with the white section on top, and this time we're using two oval shapes. Again, we're just attaching the decorations with water. This is our emoji face that looks like it's blushing, so we're going to put some edible pink dust on the cheeks there. Remember, you can only apply this to dry modelling paste, and you use a dry brush. And now we're just going to attach a big smiley face, and we're going to use the eyes that we made in the style with the scallops cut out of the bottom. Again, just using water, or you can use edible glue. This is a slightly different design of happy face, so we've just done a different kind of eye with the edible pen, and we're just attaching the mouth. This one is our love struck emoji, so you can see we're just using the larger black section of mouth, and we're using two love hearts for the eyes. This one's our yummy emoji, and we're using a large mouth, and we're going to attach the eyes with the scallop shape. Again, we're attaching all of these with water, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to attach the tongue. I'm just going to cut a little section out of the top so it fits neatly along our emoji's mouth. Our emoji looks like he's being a little cheeky and he's winking, so we've just attached the black mouth. We've popped the tongue in the middle. Then we're going to use the edible pen and we're going to draw an eye so it looks like it's closed. And then what we're going to do is we're going to attach the white circle, again all with water, and then put a black pupil in the centre. Here's another happy face emoji, so we're going to attach the mouth with water and the tongue, and we've drawn the eyes. This time we're using the black mouth, we're going to use the tongue in the centre, and we're going to use the two circles for our emoji's eyes. Our emoji looks like he's going to be winking, so we're just going to cut into the mouth just to make it a little bit smaller. And then we're going to attach that with water. We're going to use an oval shaped eye, and then we're going to use the edible pen to do an eye so it looks like it's winking, and we're going to give our face some eyebrows. This is our kiss emoji, very similar to the one we've done before, just a different style of mouth. If your pen is a little light, you can just go back over the top again, and then we're going to attach a heart on the side. Our final emoji is an angry emoji, so I did this with red modelling paste, two oval eyes, and then we did an upside down mouth, and we've got some eyebrows just coming out the top of the eyes to make it look like he's scowling. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Emojis are not something that I've created, they're something that already exists. I'm just demonstrating how to make them. If you'd like to be kept up to date with my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and if you've enjoyed watching my tutorial today, then please give me a thumbs up.